from class 4, a 3-star student.
We choose one light, we choose hope and shining light. We are the echoes of hope. We say no to drugs, choose the light, choose one light. We are the echoes of hope. Friends and family help us stand, holding tight, each carrying hand, when life feels hard. We are strong, we are the echoes of hope. We say no to drugs, choose the light. Choose one side. We are the echoes of hope.
Me encanta la música de toca, toca, toca. It's fun if you don't play, and we turn it up 4 into a 2.
We are the echoes of hope. Echoes of hope. We are strong, we are bright. Strong and bright. We don't need drugs to feel alive. Feel alive. We choose the light, the light. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. Tell me I'm too young to understand. You say I'm gonna be the dream, but life will pass me by and I don't open up my eyes. That's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over.
English School Undan, and the title of our song is Chains of Drugs.
Stand together side by side. No more truth we try to hide. Drugs are taken far too much, turning strength into a crutch. Seen it everywhere of pain. No shopping, no finding chains. No more sorrow, no more shame. It's
we are going to perform a song, and the name of our song is Say No to Drugs.
यार आज फिर से घर पे और हुआ भाई एक काम कर इससे ले और उसे सूख सब दर्द कम हो जाएगा ये क्या अरे भाई लेके तो देख फूल जन्नत
Don't let the poison steal your way. Don't let the darkness make you stray. Dreams are waiting bright and clear. Stay strong, stay true, have no fear. Stand up strong, don't be afraid. You're one more than the choices made. Hear this song, let it remind. Freedom starts within your mind. Say no, no, no to drugs. You have to love yourself hard. Keep your mind, yeah, your spirit is strong. Say no to drugs when you belong. Say no, no, no to drugs and drugs and drugs and drugs around. Better and better son, and your nation,
Life over addiction. Dear friends, delivering a speech in front of an audience is not just about words and performance. It is about courage, awareness, and responsibility. Next in the line, we have courageous speaker representing the different schools in today's competition.
And I, Zozan again. The topic that they will speak in front of us is the role of social media in promoting drugs. We request each of you to maintain silence during your speech and motivate the speaker with your warm applause. Ladies and gentlemen, our first participant comes from St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Umden. Please welcome him with your big round of applause.
Coping mechanism. Parents and educators need to monitor online activity and have open conversation about the risk, and platforms must enforce stricter policies to remove drug-promoting content and cooperate with the law enforcement. We all can promote positive awareness, driven content, and support those struggling with addiction. It's crucial to understand that this isn't just a tech issue, it's a societal one. We need to address the root cause of substance abuse like mental health struggles, peer pressures, and lack of opportunities. By tackling these underlying factors, we can reduce the allure of drugs and create a more supportive environment for those who need help. Let's recognize the power of digital literacy. By educating ourselves and others about the risks and realities of the social media, we can build a more informed and responsible online community.
Influence their followers, especially teenagers, to try drugs without understanding the harmful consequences. It is important for us to be aware of this problem and educate ourselves and others about the harmful effects of drugs. The promotion of drugs use on social media, can lead to addiction, health problems, and even legal issues. Parents, teachers, and community leaders can guide young people to use social media responsibly and critically evaluate the content they see. In conclusion, while social media is a powerful tool for communication and learning, it can also be misused to follow harmful habits like drug use. It is important for us to be aware of this problem, report inappropriate content, and support those who are suffering from addiction.
While it can be a source for connection and awareness, it can also negatively impact the youth by promoting harmful behaviors like drug abuse. Many young people are exposed to posts, reels, videos, and images that glamorize smoking, drinking, and using drugs. Influencers, celebrities, and friends sometimes show drugs as fashionable and fun. On the other hand, social media can also be a source of support. We must use social media responsibly, think before believing anything we see on social media, and be aware that drugs are bad and dangerous. The negative effects of social media are: number one, we see influencers, celebrities posting videos of themselves smoking, vaping, and using substances in a cool or fun way. This makes drug use look harmful when in reality it is dangerous.
Ladies and gentlemen, our four participants come from Khynnah Skul Marmaiñ, the whole school. Please welcome the participant with a loud round of applause.
Hello. Oh, give thanks to the Lord for He is good all the time. What if I says that there is a thief who doesn't want any money or wallet, but it requires our precious time, our happiness, our personality, and our memories? Yes, it's nothing than any other but drugs. So good morning to everyone who have gathered here, respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear friends. I am Damanpa Basayamay. I felt very fortunate to stand here in front of you all to represent my school, Sacred Heart Secondary School, and giving you a message on this day when we all come together to raise our voice against drugs. So, first of all, before we dive deep into the topic, that is the impact of drugs on youth.
Or make people happier, but the truth is very different. Drugs can seriously damage our body and mind. They can cause addiction, destroy families, and even lead to death. Many government and organizations are trying to stop this problem. For example, in India, the Narcotic Control Bureau works to prevent drugs trafficking and spread awareness about the dangers of drugs. As students, we also have an important role to play. We should be careful about what we watch and share on social media. We should not follow accounts that promote drugs or harmful activities. Instead, we should use social media for learning, creativity, and positive communication.
Come to the end of the speech competition. We extend our heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their courage and commitment. Let us carry their message beyond this stage and become living echoes of hope in our homes, schools, and communities. Thank you.
Good afternoon from Sacred Heart Skul Marmaiñ. Greetings to our respected judges, the teachers in charge from different schools, and to all my dearest friends. Our dance represents about the power of the support and love of the parents to their child who falls into the trap of drug addiction during our school days with our friends. It shows how parental love and care can guide a child back to the right path.
देखे ख्वाब हजार है मन में है कई हसरतें जाना मुझे अब है वहाँ जहाँ पूरी हो जहाँ मंजिल है मेरी उड़ चली उड़ चली छूने आसमान को जहाँ रोशन जिंदगी में
और देखना तुम ठीक हो जाओगे, बहुत जल्द ठीक हो जाओगे।
I'm trying. So keep things up, boy, shall Lala Jingiakop Shad Rwai, what you can run Namadashi Shabu Dinner Happy Day, Lem Jingiakop.
Kidding pen kyang kim la ban khang Ngin ya le ba ngi qua ban kim sha phơ Ngin tho